how many outcomes are there from first rolling a die and then choosing a card from a deck of 52 cards? Well, we can see that task 1, being rolling the die, can be done in 6 distinct ways, and choosing a card from a 52 card deck can be done in 52 distinct ways, where both tasks are independent. So using the multiplication rule, and noting this AND in the problem, we have 6 multiplied by 52, which gives 312 possible outcomes. How many functions are there from the set ABC to the set with the numbers 3 and 5? So remember that a function is a rule that takes an input and produces an output. So effectively it associates with each element in X an element f of X in Y. So we can see this graphically for our problem here. We have some inputs A, B, C and 2 outputs 3 and 5. So if we take some function of A, for example, that could map to 3. A function of B may map to 3, and a function of C may map to 5. So this is just some arbitrary function. So we can split this in 3 tasks. So task 1 assigns a value to element A, which can be done in 2 distinct ways, as we can see. And then we have AND. Task 2 can assign a value to element B, also in 2 distinct ways. And task 3 can do the same for element C. So by the multiplication rule, we have 2 by 2 by 2, which gives 8 functions. So we can show this. So if you have one function, f1, which takes an input A, and an input B, and an input C, so this function may produce all outputs of 3 when taking A, B, and C as inputs. And if we have another function f2, well, they may produce 3, 3, and 5. And then the next one may produce 3, 5, and 3. And the next one can produce 3, 5, and 5. And then we have 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, and 3, and then 5, 5, 5. So as we can see, we have 8 different combinations of outputs that can be produced by 8 functions.